how to use a filter on a WhatsApp video call. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open a chat from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the video call icon. On this screen, you can mute the call or turn the speaker on from the bottom panel. You can also turn off the video. Now, go to the right side of the screen and tap on the filters icon. Here, you can add filters, effects, and a background to this video call. Swipe to explore all the available filters over here. Then choose a filter from here to apply it to the video call. Following these steps, you can easily use a filter on a WhatsApp video call. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.